Money Gang? This your boy MMletrenthill. How y'all doing? If you don't know who I am, my name's Letrent. Show y'all how to make money online. Okay guys, today I got a video about how to make YouTube videos without putting your face in. This could turn into Google AdSense revenue, affiliate marketing, things like that. Basically, you can create any type of video you want. And like I said, you can use it for monetization on your YouTube channel, or just if you feel like making a little project, you know, or making videos. I found this program, and yeah, it's a really cool program. So we're gonna flip over to the computer, and we're gonna check out this program, and yeah, let's go. Okay guys, still recording through my phone. I am currently waiting on a new computer. I'm looking to get this bad boy right here. That way I can actually start screen recording. But for right now, my computers are way too slow to be screen recording, so I'm just doing it from my phone. So that's the new computer I'm looking to get. So the program is called Wave Video right there. I will have the link down in the description right there. And this is an affiliate program as well. You can make some money off this bad boy. And basically, we'll take you to the affiliate program real quick. Like I said, anything I do, we're gonna make some money with. As you can see, I'm loading up the affiliate program. And so this is a free program, but it also costs for YouTube. You most likely gonna have to pay, and I'll show you why. So it's standard 20% commission, and you'll get paid monthly, okay? And you just sign up, and you'll get this bad boy going. So what is Wave Video? Basically, it's a video editor. You can create different videos. They have many different platforms that you can use. Not platforms, many different templates you can use to create different kind of videos. As I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna have the video over here, but I'm gonna show you different templates. So you can go, let's see, we can click on templates. As you can see, my computer is dumb slow. I mean, I'm sorry about that, but like it's even slower with the screen-o-matic on this bad boy. So these are pretty old computers. This one's not that old, but it's still slow. So getting a desktop is definitely gonna solve some of my problems. So you got all these niches right here you can make videos on, okay? You got art and culture, business, education, pets, real estate, food, technology, travel. I mean, it's so much stuff on this thing. And yeah, so let's take, for example, pets. You know, everybody loves pets, you know, dogs, cats, all that good jazz. So these videos right here, I say it's good for advertising, YouTube videos, Twitter videos. So let's check out this one, National Cat Day, okay? And so then you can play it. You add your logo right there. You see, a little short video. It's cool though. It's cool, right? And then you got the 1619 for YouTube. Yeah, that's the YouTube version. And then you can edit this joint. And then it's gonna take you to the edit. On this computer, I'm currently working on my food YouTube channel right now. And I got a food video right here. So I'll show you a little tidbit of it. And it's also, I've used some of this from the template if it'll load up. But you know, this is the full thing, and you know, you got a lot of variety to use and play with on this thing. Then you got the different templates you can use. Like I said, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can make ads on this bad boy. Really, whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, my computer is super slow again. Like I'm clicking on it, ain't nothing going on. So, oh, there it goes right there. Actually, no, it's not. Okay, so. Oh, there you go. So yeah, you can edit it, add text, add titles to it. Oh, well, never mind it. Okay, back to this computer. Like I said, you can add different stuff. Like right here, you can change the music on this bad boy. You can change the text, so I can delete this. It'd be like cat nap. You know what I'm saying? Catnap or something like that. And then what I love about this program is the library that they have for you. Of course, when you upgrade, you get a lot more stuff. type in videos, type in pets. I mean, you can create literally niches off this bad boy right here. I mean, or actually we're gonna type in cats. So you get 51 free videos. They got videos and images, and also you get 900 with the membership. And I mean, it's so many videos, like you can make literally buku amounts of YouTube videos. And then, like I said, you look at just add text on this thing and, you know, do the thing. Like, look, we're gonna take this little black cat right here. So then you can preview this bad boy, and then they show you, and literally just videos. And of course, these are royalty free. You can use these videos for your videos. These are royalty free, no copyright, all that good stuff. I mean, look at the library. It's so much stuff. This is really dope as hell. I'm telling you, the membership is definitely worth it. Especially if you want to take YouTube very serious. You can make some high quality videos with this program. Look at the little cat sleeping. Okay, then we'll check out the images. And like I said, I got buku worth of stuff. And then all you do is add text on this bad boy, or you can honestly just have a compilation of videos if you want it. Look, 19,000 royalty-free images, and then an extra 1,000 more. You know, and of course you can buy some too with the marketplace, over 2 million. Okay, and you know you can edit stuff and all that good stuff. Like it's really dope. Then they got a pretty solid music selection. You know, playful. You know. Yeah, see? You go back. It's super cool, man. I got stickers, emojis. I mean, you can add whatever you want on these video, man. Super cool. You got your watermark. You can add your watermark. Of course, you can add your own logo to this stuff. Add music. Then you can publish it. You can download the video, white label, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Dropbox, Vimeo. Of course, most of these are unlocked because you have to have a membership. And with YouTube, you can only do up to a 15-second video. So if you making YouTube videos, you most likely gonna have to have the membership, unless you upload it to Facebook, of course. And of course, it is an affiliate program because you will be making money off this. But you know, yeah, it's pretty dope if you ask me. It's a cool little YouTube video creator. Like I said, we'll have a link in the description. This is an affiliate link. So if you want to help your boy out, I'd be grateful. Like I said, this video is not loading up, but as you can see, this is my sandwich video for one of my YouTube channels. Like, look at that. And of course, I'm not finished at all, but just a little taste, you know. Look, it's so simple and beautiful, you know. So yeah. Okay, guys, that was a video on how to make YouTube videos, how to make money from this program, and how to get your videos, put them on YouTube to make you some ad revenue for your YouTube channel. So now you got two streams of income. You got your income coming in from the affiliate program, from the video program, and then you also got your YouTube money. Okay, once you get to 1,000 subscribers, you can start you know, getting money for that, or you can just run paid traffic, you know. So with that being said, it's a quick little video. Yeah, I think this is really cool. Everybody should try this out. You ain't got to put your face in this bad boy if you don't want to. So you can make almost 10, 15 different niche YouTube channels you want, okay? With that being said, this is your boy MoneyGang. Be on the lookout. I'm trying to put out some more videos. It's just my computers be so slow, and it be messing with my, you know, it make me feel the type of way when my computer's slow. So best believe we can upgrade this year. We going hard. Going hard, we're going ham, we're going hard, all right? So please, thank y'all, love y'all so much, man. Shout out to all my mentors and, you know, everybody else, all right? It's your boy MoneyGang. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I forgot. Peace.